They say you can't have it both ways. I don't really think it's true. Cause I just wanna have your cake, 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 and I wanna eat it too. Girl, what you do to me? Got a little box of some jewelry, pouring Louis and Louis V. Steak dinner with the aftershock charcuterie. Hold up, you got me switching my stance up. You got me changing my answers. Goddamn, I'm feeling romantic. Oh no, I got her flowers on a Tuesday, and you know I did it just because it's Tuesday. Should be out with my friends right now, but let's stay home and watch a movie. What happened to me? Cause Baby, tell me when you're getting out. She said, soon as you take me home. Damn girl, you know I like that. She said, good, better check your phone. I'll be here when you're texting. These days, I ain't even checking mentions. I may have ADD, but you got my attention. Like, who says that? Messages that I don't want my friends to see. I don't want them reading this shit about how you just get me nervous. It's my first date, first love, butterflies like my first kiss.
Oh my God.
Freaky Friday in this bitch. Help me change back when we were running every chick like a racetrack. Had a line running out the crib like a Shake Shack. Then what happened to me? Cause
like I don't see